No kidding about that, Cheryl. And as we've steadily watched those people without power outages decline over the course of the day, there's still some pocket issues, particularly in Petersburg. But one thing Dominion Energy says could actually really affect how quickly they can get to restoring power includes how clear the roads are.
Ma'am, we ran out of power. I'm sorry.
A Walgreens in Colonial Heights forced to temporarily close. Other business owners witnessing dramatic scenes.
This morning, the wind got up to probably 40-mile-an-hour gust, and the electrical lines behind us started swinging and butting together, and a big fireball blew out. Transformer exploded.
Dominion Energy trucks can be seen circling the region, reconnecting power as quickly as possible.
We're watching all of these different scenarios as they play out, and as long as it's safe to do so, our crews will be out there working tirelessly to ensure that all of our customers get their power back.
How safe it is for crews to do their work will depend quite a bit on things like road conditions. In Henrico County, crews diverted traffic on the Richmond-Henrico Turnpike for hours due to downed power lines and trees.
When you're dealing with a storm like this, downed power lines are an issue. We're going to see a lot of downed lines. If you see one in your house, in your neighborhood, please stay at least 30 feet away. Consider it energized and dangerous.
While safety remains the top priority, for the powerless, this is bound to be a rough few hours.
Really concerned because we have no heat in the building and it's getting cold.
Are you worried about what's about to happen over the next 48 hours?
Yes, I am. Road conditions, wind, gusts, it's all not good.
And if you should unfortunately experience a power outage this evening or even tomorrow, Dominion Energy says the best ways to report those outages are either through their website or download the Dominion Energy app. You can report it and track the progress of its restoration right there from your phone.